So over here you can see that I am in a web page right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go back to the default home page. In that case, I can simply go around and click on the home button right here, which brings me onto the home page, which is set to bing.com at the moment. But let's say I want to disable the home page altogether, then you can easily do that by clicking on the three dot button right here and by going into settings. So once you go around over here, you can go around onto the left hand side and then go around onto start home and new tab option, and over here you can see that home button is here. So if I were to go around over here and then disable the home button altogether, so it says show home button on the toolbar, disable it, then it won't show the home button anymore. So you can see that this is what I have, and if I were to go to new tab, there is no home button anymore. I can re-enable it by going onto the same spot by clicking on the three dot button and by going into settings and by going into start home and new tabs. And as I were to go around and show the home button right here just like this, then what happens is that I get the home button again once more, and once you click on it you get to your home page just like that. And that is how you can enable and disable the home page button inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.